use a mixed factor ANOVA. A dependent variable is measured in different time frame, like it is measured in the pre and post. In this case, our dependent variable is intelligence level, which is measured in the pre, like before the intervention, and the post after the intervention. So the time constraint and the time factor is pre and post, and the grouping variable is treatment and control. So let's see how we do this in SPSS. So we have the pre and post. We have the pre and post data and the grouping variable, that is control and treatment. For the mixed factor ANOVA, go to analyze, generalize linear model, and then repeat it, measure ANOVA. The first factor is here. Basically, we are measuring uh, uh, time frame is our factor, which has two levels, pre and post. Add here. Measure name is intelligence level. Add it here. Now what we do, press define, and intelligence pre should go to the first factor, intelligence level post should go to the second level. For the between, so this is the within subject factor, and for the between subject factor, we will select the grouping variable, that is treatment and control. If we need plots, groups by treatment, add here, continue. Don't need any other thing, just press OK. So this is the repeated measure ANOVA result. We can see here there is no any significant difference. So it says that the pre and post result for the treatment and control have no effect on the intelligence level. Thank you.